to the rest of you who may have kids, who may have a family. I see so many of you being like, oh, I can't go because my kids. What do you mean? I'm serious. What do you mean? Do not make us your reason to change your lives. We are your God. We should be your reason. Not the reason you're staying behind. And as you can see, we're here. You can bring us with you. Yeah, guys, we can use them. I just want to see how many kids are up here. Y'all, people under 18, can y'all wave to me?
Yes, Alex. Yes, good. Yes.
Yeah, WSB has changed our lives for the better. We understand why they were. We see why they were. And we can reap the rewards of being here. We've been to so many different countries. We've been to 5 so far. Sometimes layovers take us to different countries, but good enough. But we